Hello, everyone. Welcome to Tarakape Podcast, a podcast that is made through the love of coffee and conversation. Where in every episode, we feature local coffee shops to show some love and support for their businesses because, coffee and conversation are very close to our hearts. That's why we combine them. And as you can see, I am standing in front of the Sydney Opera House and the Sydney Bridge. We are here in Sydney, Australia to visit some friends. Well, I personally brought this podcast here in Sydney to feature and invite very special guests who are very close to my heart. So, for today's episode, for today's highlight, we feature the Dose Cafe because I saw on TikTok that they offer a very special bagel, which is a blueberry bagel, and it is worth to try. It is so good. We all also ordered here. They're very well. Australia is very known for, you know, making the best flat white in the world. So yeah, I would recommend Subsoy the best. Let's do the intro. My guest for this episode is, I don't know how to describe her. Like right now, she's blocking her nails. Yeah. So my very special guest is my very best friend. I yeah. Well, she's my best friend. The reason why I went here in Australia is because of her and also my two other friends. But yeah, mainly the reason of my stay here is because of her. Um, what's her credentials? How will I describe her? Before okay, so I am with her ever like since elementary. Yeah, because she is like one grade higher than me, and we used to go to church because we are very active youths before. She is a licensed teacher, and what's her talents? No talent. No, she's on a lot of things. She's very talented. I will not like say it now because I want her to tell her all her traits and skills. So yeah, without further ado, let us all welcome my guest for today. So guys, without further ado, let me welcome you, my guest, my best friend, Anthony. You say hi.
Hi, hello.
Hi. We have guests then over there.
Yeah.
So as you can see, we're the beautiful view of the Opera House and the bridge,
Harbor Bridge.
Harbor Bridge. We are here in Australia and we have a very special episode for today. Oh my gosh. So yeah, so where's your coffee?
This
Before
is
we
my
started,
coffee.
coffee
Yeah.
cheers. There you go. Hindi naman litaw yung sugelyo.
Hindi naman.
Hindi naman. Yeah, we will gonna bleep it na lang if lilitaw. And as you can see, like we are sitting on the grass because we can't really find a beautiful bench. So para at least mas comfortable kami mag-converse. So we decided to sat na lang
Yeah.
here. And which is fine naman, right,
Course.
sis? Can you say hi muna to the podcast?
Hello po, Tara Podcast.
Tara kape. Tara
Tara
kape
Kape
podcast.
Podcast. Hello,
Yes.
welcome to Sydney, Australia.
Yes,
Yes.
we flew all the way here just to guest you kasi ayaw mong mag-guest. And parang ang Zoom kasi is parang feeling ko like, mahirapan tayo if we're gonna talk through Zoom. So
Oo
parang like,
naman.
okay, what if let's bring the podcast to you. Okay?
And I'm so very happy naman na nakadating dito ang Tara Kape
Yeah.
Podcast.
So how are you, sis? Can you like share I mean like how are you? How are you now? Kamusta ka naman, Sister Lou? Can
Um,
you
I'm
ano?
100% happy.
Yes, I
Happy.
love it for you. I know. Ako, personally, I know that you're happy right
Very happy.
now.
I'm very happy right
Yeah.
now.
Yes. So we'll be talking about like this podcast is just, it's just a free flowing conversation.
Yeah.
You don't need to be like para pressure or something. Okay, so we're gonna talk about like your experiences lang and like your fun, happy, unforgettable, sad experiences here in Sydney. Okay. So our topic or the title of this episode is Living in Australia.
Oh, what a good
Oh, I
topic.
love it.
Really
So
love it.
before we start muna sa inyong experiences, sis, can you share how we became friends or how we met? Like where we, where our friendship all started? Where it all started? Ang ina,
Yeah.
di ba nahirapan mag-English?
Tagalog mo lang, Char.
Yeah.
I
So how,
think, it started because we are studying on the same school.
Yeah,
Way back
we,
in the
we, we
Philippines.
went, we went to same elementary, we went
Yes,
to same
same
high
high
school,
school.
pero we're not on the same batch.
Yeah.
We're not batchmates. Parang we're on the same age, but like
I'm
she's
1 year
one
ahead.
year
Yeah,
one
1 year
year
ahead
ahead
ako
siya
sa'yo.
sa akin. Okay.
I think, syempre, nag-start yung friendship natin is we're serving at church before. We're serving.
Yeah, hindi man po mukhang sa mga sinusuot namin
Oo.
ngayon, but we are altar
Altar servers
servers before. Kami yung are we the first batch?
Yeah, we are the first.
Doon sa chapel, doon sa church namin, yeah.
Sa chapel.
We are the first batch po ng mga altar servers doon. And
Until parang naging mas close tayo nung lumalabas na tayo. Kasi dating gustong-gusto ko pa yung coffee. Gustong-gusto ko yung coffee.
yes, we are so addicted to coffee before.
Tapos mas lalo lang lumalim yung friendship natin. Nung, I think, nung first international
National
trip
trip
natin.
na ang daming nangyari. Which is, i-share natin yun on the next episode na. But,
Yeah.
yeah, pero grabe, like, that's an epic trip for us na it's very unforgettable. And then, nasundan na, diba?
Oo, nasa
Every year, kasi nagpapanata kami ni sis na every December, like, ipon tayo, ganyan. Tapos,
Para
yeah, makapag-travel tayo,
para
ganyan.
mag-relax
Asia lang.
naman.
Yeah,
Oo.
yeah, yeah. Kasi nakita namin yung experience of, like, traveling abroad is super fun.
Yes. At saka na-stop lang naman yun nung
Pandemic.
Pandemic.
Because of pandemic.
Because of
Yeah.
pandemic.
And then,
And then, yun na, nagkatuloy-tuloy na yung pag-hype din natin.
yes. And we're living, eto lang, we're living under the same barrio, like same place, same location. Parang we're just few blocks away lang. So, like, blocks? Arte.
Blocks ang arte naman.
Akala mo na.
Pero ano lang, tamang, tsaka yung nagustuhan lang natin is, nagkaka-sharing talaga tayo. Share rin tayo ng mga problema and we give advice.
Okay, the friendship got deeper when we
Encounter some problems.
yes, and we open ourselves to each other na parang like, sis, ganito, how will you like ganito ganyan.
And for the record ha, hindi po kami nag-aaway.
We sometimes fight, but like parang what do you call this? Parang we just brush it off. Like,
Yeah.
parang like, not really, kasi, ewan ko, siguro we're that mature to handle
Yeah,
things na parang
yes.
like when we fight. Or, kasi it's normal to have, to have like,
Tsaka I can
away.
say po, I can probably say, isa po siya sa mga kaibigang nakatiis sa pagiging bratinela.
Yeah, she's so bratty, to be honest. When we go out before, nasa Pilipinas pa kami, like, parang like, she's the bratty and I will, like, parang sis, like, medyo tone it down. Or minsan, kapag medyo, pag naka ano din ako, parang sige sis, like, push. Ako yung nagpo-push and pull sa kanya, dun sa kanya mga triggers and everything.
Tsaka kagandahan lang is, marunong kami magpakiramdaman sa sarili.
Yes, siguro,
Ano yung mood na
that became our super strength in our friendship. And then, after that, so, after the pandemic, so what do you do pala in the Philippines? What's
in
your
the Philippines, yeah,
profession?
in the Philippines, I am a former teacher 3 in the Philippines.
Teacher 3, yeah.
teacher
She is a licensed
I am a
teacher
licensed teacher
3.
in the Philippines.
Yes.
The Philippines and yun. And then I started my small business.
Yeah,
Yeah,
she
I
had
am
business.
Event organizer.
Organizer.
Yeah, I'm event planner before.
Mhm.
Sa akin po yung concept creator, event management.
Mm-mm.
Promote ko pa, baka meron pa.
Yeah.
Yun, siya, noon naman nag-start ako sa business ko, siya yung number 1 talaga nag-push at nag-support siya.
Yes, kasi parang sabi ko, sis, this is your forte, this is your thing. Like, why should you not, like, push it through? And then, like, nakailang clients ka din, sis, before you left, right? Yeah.
More than 10 din. At lahat ng mga clients ko, sinasabi ko sa kanya, kasi kumuha ako ng ideas sa kanya.
Yeah.
Actually, she's more artistic. Tsaka yung idea niya talagang pag nag-collaborate siya, it's a bugs talaga.
Bugs. Okay. And then, fast forward to after pandemic, and then, Australia happened.
Yeah.
So, paano ka napunta dito? What's your story?
Actually, my story.
Ito na yung topic natin. Dito
Yeah.
na papasok siya. Okay. So,
Actually,
how did you end up here in Australia? Is it really a dream? Parang matagal mo ba siya pinagplanuhan or it just happened? Na parang opportunity knocks and you open the door and you grabbed it. Like, what's the story about Australia?
pinagdasal ko siya. Kasi something happened.
Yeah.
Yeah, something happened na hindi masyadong maganda. Parang may pinagdaanan ako.
Yeah, personal problem, right?
I have a personal problem na. Tapos parang nagdasal lang ako, Lord, I wanna try a new opportunity. Until such na nakita ko yung isang student ko before. Nakasalubong ko siya out of nowhere. Tapos nag-usap kami, nagtatanong ako saan siya pupunta. Yun. Nasabi nga niya na dito siya, nagbabayad siya. Kailangan niya pumunta dito, mag-student visa siya to be exact.
Yeah.
Hanggang sa humingi ako ng sign kay Lord. Really, ako yung taong naniniwala sa mga sign. Yeah.
True.
Yung mga signs na binigay niya. Isang sign lang talaga yung hiningi ko sa kanya. At naging definite ako sa sign na hiningi ko. Oh my God. On that day, talagang binigay niya yung mga signs. Yung
Yeah.
signs na hiningi ko. Kaya,
Yeah.
napunta ako dito. Kaya nga sabi ng mga tao, of all the people, nabigla sila nung pumunta ako dito.
Bakit ikaw?
Oo, bakit ako?
Kasi kung titignan mo nga naman, your career mo sa Philippines is very, alam mo yun, like, okay ka na eh. Like, you're a teacher na. And then you have this business,
Yeah.
ganyan. And then, tas bigla, talaga magugulat na parang bakit lahat yon tinurn down mo. And you like, di ba, you chose a
Yeah.
different path.
Actually, si Jess, yung isa sa mga taong nakakaalam kung paano ako nag-apply dito.
Yeah. Kasi nung sabi na like, sis, I'm going to Australia. Parang like, what? Like, parang, I'm not really parang believing pa. Kasi nga sinasabi niya na parang like, ganito, ganyan. And then, parang one day, nagme-medical ka na, and
Oo,
nagba-biometrics na parang,
oo.
sis, are you really sure of like going to Australia? And parang, yeah, like, eto na yung papeles ko. And parang, ang bilis lang nung mga nangyari. Kasi nga feeling ko like, it's for you. It's for you. Okay.
Tsaka hinabol ko rin yung before kasi medyo maluwag. Medyo maluwag ang pagpunta ng mga student dito. Yun yung hinabol ko. Pero nadatnan ko pa rin yun naman yung
medyo strict, yeah.
Super strict. Parang I am the first batch.
Na nag-strict na yung...
Sabi ko parang hindi talaga ata para sa akin. Pero at the end, nag-pray pa rin ako. Nag-pray talaga ako.
And then, fast forward, you're here na.
I'm here na.
Ilang years ka na dito sa Australia?
Pa 3 years na po.
Pa 3 years na si sis. Okay. So sis, your life here is paano? Can you describe? So you're a student, for sure, yeah, she's a student here.
Ang entry ko dito, luckily, and nag-grant ako ng student visa dito. To be exact.
Yun talaga in-applyan mo.
Yun talaga yung in-applyan ko dito. To be exact, nag-grant ang visa ko is November 16, 2023. So after 11 days, lumipad ako dito.
Yeah.
Kasi the reason is, gulat yung mga pamilya ko. Kasi sabi nila na... Sorry,
Nakakagalit.
Gulat yung mga pamilya ko na parang ayaw nila muna. Kasi gusto nila na
kasi ang bilis nga. Kasi di ba sinabi ko din kay bakla, nung na-approve yung visa niya, parang, kailangan mo ba agad lumipad? Baka naman pwede ka pa mag-intay ng few months. Pero kasi, mag-expire kasi yun. Like, pag, di ba?
yun na actually, nag-start na yung klase ko.
Nag-start na yung kasing class niya kasi after diretso yun eh. So, parang kailangan niya ng lumipad ASAP. Actually, na-delay nang 1 week. Pero kung nahabol mo yung class, parang the next day dapat lilipad siya. Ganon kabilis.
Oo, parang yun nga talaga. Tapos, gusto kasi ng parents ko na magstay muna ako doon para makapag-celebrate ng Christmas.
Yeah, so she didn't celebrated Christmas in the Philippines.
How many years na hindi na ako nagse-celebrate ng
Yes.
Christmas. Pero the reason is, parang mahirap sa akin yung umalis sa Pilipinas after ng mga holidays. Parang mas mabibigat sa akin yun na parang malungkot.
Sinabi mo din
Oo,
yun.
sabi ko,
Parang mas okay na lang umalis ako ng before nung
Christmas,
kesa
holiday.
yung parang na-feel ko na parang
Mabigat talaga pag aalis na naman ako after ng mga holidays.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
ayun. Sabi ko nga, pagdating ko dito, ang para po sa kaalaman ng mga
Ng lahat.
ng lahat. If you were granted a student visa, you need just to you will have restricted working hours.
Yes.
So yung working hours ko is I just need to work 24 hours per week and 48 hours per fortnight. So kailangan kong i-follow 'yon kasi
Yeah.
if I don't follow that would be grounds para ma-cancel yung visa ko.
Yes. And we don't want that to happen.
Yeah,
Siyempre,
I don't want
kaya
that
ka
to
nga
happen,
nandito,
yeah.
right?
So legally pina-follow ko lahat ng mga
Yes.
restricted na binigay sa akin dun sa condition ng visa.
Na kailangan, right?
So pagdating ko dito, wala po akong family dito.
yes.
May mga kilala, may mga student, kaso hindi po ganun
Kadali.
Pero
Start
there's one
really.
family na pinuntahan ko dito, tinanggap ako dito, na although nasa Philippines pa nung alam ko na ma-approve ako, is nag-message na ako sa kanila. So, yan. So pagdating ko dito, November 28, lumapag ang aeroplano ko dito, here comes the life of Australia. Nag-umpisa na.
Nag-start
It's
na.
been 3 days na nasa bahay lang po ako. Everything. Tapos ginagawa ko po yung resume ko, yung application. Kailangan ko na mag-apply ng trabaho. Hindi ako
Yeah.
mabubuhay, mahal po
Totoo,
dito, sobrang
totoo,
mahal po dito.
totoo yun.
Kaso, ang resume ko po is,
Wait lang, may nakatingin sa'yo afam girl.
talaga, my God.
Sorry, sorry, na-distract.
Hello.
Yung mga afam tumitingin sa kanya.
So, ngayon po, kailangan ko gumawa ng panibagong resume kasi yung resume na dala ko is from the Philippines. Eh, iba po ang resume dito. Napakasimple. Just
Yeah.
need to state your name, yung availability mo.
Yes, that's so true.
Tapos, here comes na nag-start po ako maghanap ng trabaho. Luckily, after maybe
How
one
many?
week.
1 week.
Nakahanap po ako ng trabaho. At hindi ko po kinakahiya yung naging unang trabaho ko dito for one day.
Yeah, sabi mo nga nasa may fish market
Yeah,
ka
nasa may
before.
fish market ako. Kasi dati, nung nasa Philippines ako, lagi kong binibiro yun na gusto kong magtinda ng isda.
Oo.
Really.
It was her dream.
Yeah.
It was her
Sabi ko,
dream.
gusto kong magtinda ng isda. Until na nakapasok ako sa isang fish market dito sa loob ng mall, is nagtitinda ako ng isda.
Is the
For one day. For one day nakapagpasok ako doon. Tapos here comes yung kasama ko sa bahay, nagtatrabaho siya sa isang restaurant. Tapos nakakita siya ng bagong open na restaurant doon.
opening.
Sinan niya sa akin, malakas ang loob ko.
Yeah.
Ang baon ng ate nyo dito nang pumunta siya dito is lakas ng loob.
Yeah. Totoo.
Hindi ako nag-text, tumawag ako sa manager. And luckily sabi ko, I need work.
Yeah.
And yun, hanggang ngayon din po ako nagtatrabaho. And I can proudly say,
That's
I
it.
am the first ever Filipino working dito sa kanilang restaurant na nag-start pa noon. May restaurant sa Korean restaurant.
Yeah.
And then,
this restaurant is Korean barbecue
Korean
restaurant,
barbecue
right?
restaurant.
Kasi ikaw yung unang Pinoy na
Oo, ako yung
hinahire
unang
nila.
Pinoy at nag-iisang Pinoy noon na nakapagtrabaho sa kanila.
'Di ba how hard it is? Kasi 'di ba, unang-una yung struggle, pumunta ka sa Australia, very foreign country to you.
Yeah.
Tapos wala kang masyadong kakilala, another struggle.
Oo.
Tapos another struggle mo, you need to find a work.
Yeah.
So
Kailangan
another
mo.
struggle. Tapos another struggle pa is language barrier kasi yung boss mo is Korean.
Yeah.
Somehow she can speak
English,
English, pero 'di ba may mga kailangan mo ding mag-adjust kasi parang like nakikipagtrabaho ko sa'yo, so I need to learn din somehow your language.
Totoo yun. Totoo yung sinabi niya. Yung pagpunta ko dito talagang medyo nahihirapan talaga ako.
Yeah.
Lalo na, ito sasabihin ko yung totoo. Pag po nagta-travel kami dati, siya po lahat ang maghahanap ng pupuntahan.
I am
don't even
in
know
charge of
Yeah.
everything, the itinerary and everything before.
To be honest, maganda lang po ako pero hindi ko talaga alam gamitin dati ang Google Maps.
Totoo yun.
Totoo.
Oh my God.
Siya
I
lahat,
still remember those days.
Siya lahat yung gagawa.
Tapos pagdating mo ng Australia,
Yeah.
bigla ikaw na lahat.
Kailangan ko talaga. It's really a big adjustment to me. Kailangan kong malaman kung paano gamitin yung Google Maps, kung paano makapag-travel, and naliligaw din po ako. Maraming beses din po ako naliligaw.
Naliligaw.
sa
Yes,
Pinoy.
so true.
Tapos pagdating naman sa language talaga mahirap. Minsan, meron akong gustong sabihin na hindi ko alam kung nagkakaintindihan kami.
Kasi yung mga local dito, they speak very fast,
Oo,
'di ba?
really, parang
Ikaw nga, buti nga ngayon, naintindihan mo eh. Ano sabi niya, te? Ba't ang bilis?
Parang
daw.
talaga,
Kasi ikaw nakuha mo na, na-adopt mo na.
Umaagos lang yung
They're
like,
free flowing
"Madam,
for
how
them.
are you?" Yung mga ganun na.
Oo, yung mga ganun, keme-keme.
Yun, tapos, yun, nalampasan ko naman. Ngayon, I can 100% na fully adjust.
Adjusted ka na.
Oo, really,
That's
really,
so
really.
true. Yeah, I can say it.
Adjusted na talaga ako dito.
To be honest. Kasi, you know, na parang like how to live life here, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Dati nangangapa ka, pero
Oo.
ngayon alam mo na like parang, this is ganito, o yung ganito, ganyan. And then, yon, everything happens so fast, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Hindi mo na namamalayan.
Hindi ko namalayan talaga. Hindi ko talaga namalayan na ito na pala ako ngayon.
Yeah.
Na
Okay.
dati na hindi ko alam yung mga ganito. Na alam ko na ngayon.
Yes. We have talked about your experiences na in living here in Australia.
Yeah.
So, for sure, may mga bagay ka na nagustuhan sa Australia in your like in your experiences living here. What are the things that you like about Australia?
Marami ako nagustuhan dito. Pero the most experiences I like here is, I can say na tanggap ako ng Australia.
Oh my gosh. Yes.
Kasi in the
That
Philippines,
is major in the list,
in
to
the
be
Philippines
honest.
naman, tanggap naman ako ng mga
Yes.
kaibigan ko, tanggap ako ng pamilya ko.
Oo.
Pero hindi ako ganito manamit dati.
Totoo.
Hindi ako ganito.
If you're gonna see Anthony
Hindi
before,
ako ganito kasi,
medyo restricted tayo.
oo, at saka, siguro dahil sa nature of work.
Yeah.
Kasi,
Kasi once you're a teacher in the
Yeah,
Philippines and
you
you're
need to
gay,
be
and you're
yeah.
gay, you can't
Yeah.
wear something like this and
Na
that.
parang
Yeah.
merong hangganan yung pagiging gay ko doon.
Yes.
I mean, meron. And now here, nakita ko, tanggap ako.
Mm-mm.
Na,
They're very open
yeah,
here, no?
very open. Lahat. Tanggap ka nila dito. Tapos, isa pang nakita ko dito na pinaka nagustuhan ko is, lahat pantay-pantay.
They're very respectful.
Lahat pantay-pantay. Yung sa trabaho.
Diba?
Oh my God, talagang hindi mo masasabi na siya yung
Dishwasher
boss
ka
nila,
ba?
oo,
Or nagmamop ka man?
sa cleaner
Office
man,
ka,
everything, no,
admin.
lahat pantay-pantay.
Yeah. When you
And-
go out of the work,
Yeah.
sobrang lahat pantay-pantay kayo dito.
Well, of course, even sa work, kailangan talaga you need to respect your
Yeah,
manager,
maybe
your
have a manager,
But
yeah.
the thing is, hindi nila pinapakita dito na I am the manager, I am
Yeah.
the boss. Sabi mo susunod, no. Yun yung isa sa nagustuhan ko dito. Pantay-pantay kami dito.
Yeah.
Mahirap ka mayam. Hindi mo alam. Hindi pagiging hindrance yung student visa kami na dapat ganito lang yung tingin sa amin.
Yeah.
Hindi naging hindrance.
Tsaka hindi naman dito, like, naka-student visa ka ba? Hindi naman di ba?
Yeah, na
Walang
actually,
ganun wala
it's
namang
very
ganun.
private to ask the
Yeah.
visa kung ng isang tao. Pero syempre, isa sa mga requirements kapag nag-apply ka ng trabaho, hihingin talaga
Yeah.
nila yung visa.
Visa mo, yeah.
At alam na nila, it's between you and your manager or
Yeah.
between you and the owner. Kasi
Yeah.
kailangan talaga nila yun. Kasi that's what legal
Okay.
papers.
What more did you
What
like?
more is I like here is parang ano ba? You can gain a lot of friends. You will gain a lot of friends.
Yeah.
Parang walang snaban dito, walang bastusan.
Talaga.
Walang bastusan dito. Parang makasalubong mo, you say hi, you say, oh, ang gwapo mo, ang cute mo, can I have your number?
Ano sila, no? Approachable. Kasi one time, we're like walking. Parang minsan di ba pag
Oo.
nag-walking tayo, it's parang, hi, good morning. Tapos parang sila, good morning. Parang,
Yeah.
hindi sila snap, like parang hindi nila inisipin na parang, shit, gusto ba ako nito? Walang ganon, hindi sila masyadong,
Tsaka isa pa dito, kung napansin mo dito is, kahit na trans ka, gay ka, nakakita ka ng cute na guy, hindi sila maiilang.
Yeah,
Parang they are,
hindi
ano
sila
sa,
bastos nga,
ano,
hindi sila maano
alam
na
nila
parang,
na-
ew, you're gay. Walang ganon
wala.
dito.
No
That's why they
discrimination.
celebrate Pride here.
Yeah,
Nakakatapos
oo,
lang na hindi ko
kakatapos
naabutan.
lang. Oo, sayang hindi niya naabutan.
Yeah, parang it happened. Parang kailan siya nangyari?
I think it's the whole February. And
February.
The last
Yung
is
pinaka-parade was 28.
28.
Tapos ako kasi I arrived na ng March 2. So hindi ko na talaga siya naabutan.
Oh,
But then again, it's fine. But yun lang, nakaka-happy kasi. Nakakatawa kasi yung dami nating tao dito sa back. Charot.
Oo nga. Nagkaroon naman happy.
Yeah. Tapos ano pa ba? How about like the transportation system?
Yan. Dito, yung transportation system nila dito is very good. Very accessible. Very accessible talaga dito na paglabas mo ng bahay, kung malapit yung bahay mo sa bus station, yun.
Yeah.
Sa mga train, diretso lang. From
Kasi
the
dito ang mode of transport nila, there's bus,
bus, wharf,
there's train,
wharf.
and there's wharf. Ito. Kasi galing kami dun sa kabila, so para kami makapunta dito, we need to ride the wharf. So, yeah, sinakyan namin is the ferry. Ferry
pa
pala
yung mga
siya.
small ferry dito.
Kaya, super accessible. And tap-tap lang, right?
Oo, tap. Kailangan mo mag-tap, my God, mahuhuli ka.
Oo.
And isa sa mga naging mode of transportation ko dito is natuto ako mag-drive dito.
Yeah.
And
Oh,
may nakakatawang reason kung bakit natuto ako mag-drive dito. Kasi noong una, nakatira ako malapit lang sa work yung bahay ko. Pero dahil ginagabi ako minsan, kailangan ko mag-ano.
and medyo, syempre, hindi naman sa pero minsan kasi
Noong
may
una
mga
nagbabasa
delikado.
ko, kaso may mga nakasalubong akong mga bata. Trip yun. So,
Yung nagdidiskitahan si
Kasi-
Bakla.
pinagdiskitahan ako. Ewan ko kung type ako or what.
Ayan.
Para lang po sa kaalaman ng lahat dati sa Pilipinas is, si Jess po yung nagda-drive sa akin.
Yeah.
Siya
I'm the
lahat.
driver.
I am just a Disney princess before in the
Yeah.
Philippines.
But when I first visit her here, siya na yung nagda-drive for me. Pero ilang araw lang, tapos ako ulit nag-drive.
Oh.
Yes. Pero it's a good experience though. So, yun. Okay. So, if there are things that you like, are there things that you dislike?
Ano ba?
Here.
Ano ba yung mga...
Yung parang medyo sa'yo parang off,
Siyempre yung mga ayaw ko dito is parang minsan napakahirap na mag-meet yung mga schedule nyo ng mga kaibigan mo.
Okay. Kasi nga, you all
Working.
work.
Yeah, nagwo-work kami, nag-aaral
Hustle.
kami.
Yeah.
Tsaka ano ba yung mga... Wala naman na kasi ako masyadong ayaw dito, to be honest.
Yeah.
Wala akong masyadong...
Workmates.
Work. No. No workmates. Iilan.
Meron, di mo matatanggal yun.
Oo
Kasi
naman.
to be honest, you cannot please everybody.
Of
I mean,
course,
like, meron
of course,
talagang
of
mga,
course, of course.
may mga makakahidwaan ka talaga na mga friend. Pero at least, it's part of the experience
Oo.
eh.
Parang it's for me naman. Alam mo naman ako, magaling ako mag-handle sa mga
Yes,
sitwasyon.
totoo yun. Tama. Okay. So, we're done with the dislikes and the dislikes. What are the things that you have learned here in Australia? Na first time mo first time mo talaga matutunan na parang hindi mo hindi mo ma-realize sa sarili mo na parang, oh my gosh, I can learn this or I can do this pala.
Nakakatawa po yung iba.
Oh.
Kasi personally, hindi po ako marunong maglaba.
Oh, yeah.
Hindi ako
Yeah.
marunong maglaba.
Oh, okay.
So, dito wala naman akong although, sabi nga nila, ilalagay mo lang siya sa washing,
Oo.
siya na mag-ano. Yun. Pero, sometimes kasi nagkukusot ako. Maselan ako sa damit.
Damit.
Alam
Yeah.
ni Jessel, maselan ako. Kasi dati yung nanay ko lang yung gumagawa nun. Pero when I come here, oh my God.
Ikaw lahat.
Oo.
Well, there's option. Magpapalaundry ka pero
Oo,
it will cost you.
Oh
Yeah.
my God, mahal. Imbis na ipang-laundry ko,
Pangkain mo na
pangkain,
lang,
pangdagdag sa tuition. Speaking of pagkain, natuto ako magluto.
Okay.
Natuto
Tama
ako
yan. Yan. Alam mo si bakla, nagulat ako pag minsan gabi, mag-video call yan. Since I'm not cooking, nagpa-pasta ako.
Oo.
Nagtutuna pasta. Wow, nagpa-pasta ka. Parang, I never imagined her like cooking like that. Pero kasi again, it's just her eh. Wala siyang
Oo.
ibang katulong dito.
Ako lang, oo.
Walang ibang
Kailangan ko
kasama.
Kailangan ko maging independent talaga.
Yeah, kailangan niya maging independent. Wow.
Tapos,
ano pa?
Ano pa ba? Ito, ewan ko ha, parang nakakatawa lang na kaya ko pala. Kaya ko palang hindi magkanin.
Yeah, kasi si Bakla Rice is life sa
Oo, alam
Philippines.
niya.
Pero, kailangan pa rin.
Kailangan ko
Oo,
pa naman,
nagra-rice
pero
ito si ate.
Hindi na talaga 3 times a day dati or 4 times a day.
Dati kasi
Oo,
umpisahan mo na umaga, no?
Oo, umaga. Kasi magbimerenda akong kanin and everything. Dito hindi. Sometimes once a day lang. Yan. Ano ba yung... Kaya ko palang
Driving.
mag-drive.
Yun.
Tsaka,
Yun yung super na proud ako sa kanya.
Oo.
Kasi nakakatawa ito. Ewan ko ba't mo binili yung sasakyan?
binili ko yung...
Nakakabulis ito. Parang, di mo naman kailangan. I mean, sa akin, akala ko kasi hindi na kailangan kasi nga dahil I thought, I mean, I know naman, the transportation system here is super reliable. But then again nga, nung sinabi niya nga na, I have this experience na ganyan, like, kasi I umuwi ako ng gabi,
Oo.
tapos ganito, ganyan, madilim, so I really need, like, security for myself.
Nung una talaga, kaya binili ko yung sasakyan. Nagtatrabaho ako dati. Actually, pangalawang lipat ko ng bahay to. Tumira ako dati at syempre may kasama ako sa bahay, kasama ko sila sa work. Hatid sundo kami. So hindi ko kailangan. Hanggang sa nagkaroon ako ng bagong opportunity sa trabaho. No, medyo may in-offer silang medyo magandang alam mo naman.
So nagsarili ka?
Nagsarili ako. Kailangan ko nang tumayo. Wala na akong magiging kasamang magdadrive, hatid sundo. Kailangan ko. Yun lang. Kaya natuto talaga ako mag-drive. Kaya yun yung masasabi ko, isa sa mga learning experience ko. At isa sa pinaka-importanting natutunan ko dito is natuto akong mag-control ng emotion ko. Isa ako sa mga taong maikli ang pasensya.
Yeah.
Para lang po sa kaalaman ng lahat, I'm working in hospitality. So, dati sa Pilipinas, ako yung medyo bratty ako kapag matagal yung order.
Ganyan. Yeah. Mali yung order.
Oh my God, ngayon, talaga palang ipaparanas sa akin. Yung minsan mali yung order, ako na yung, hindi naman tatalakan, pero yung makikita mo na ma-disappoint yung mga tao.
Yeah.
Yun, natutunan ko talaga na hindi sa lahat ng bagay is kailangan kong magtaray, kailangan kong
hindi sa lahat ng bagay madadaan mo yung ganong attitude.
Sa attitude ko, yun yung malaking natutunan ko, yung pagiging mapasensya. Emotions ko talaga. Yan.
That's so true.
Madalang na ako maging bratty ngayon. Madalang.
Kasi parang ikaw na talaga yung nagmamanage ng stress sa
Oo.
work. Lalo na you deal with people, tas pagkain pa. Alam mo yun? So parang, it's not like parang sa office na parang you can like, alam mo yun, brush it off or parang, pagbawalang bahala mo na lang yung mga reklamo ng tao.
Oo,
diba?
lalo na, tsaka isa pa is, dito sa trabaho ko is, hindi lang puro Australian yung mga nakaka-deal ko. Iba't
Yeah.
ibang tao, iba't ibang lahi.
So you learn also
Oo,
to
oo.
cope with
Kung paano
other
mo sila
cultures.
i-approach, kung paano mo sila timplahin yung kanilang mood, kung paano ba dapat. Minsan kasi merong mga tao talaga na iti-test yung pasensya mo.
Yeah.
Oh my God, maraming tao yung iti-test yung pasensya mo. Pero marami rin naman yung mga tao talagang mababait dito, very approachable talaga. Yun, natutunan ko talaga na kahabaan ng PC ko at natutunan ko na maging mabait sa lahat ng tao dito.
Totoo.
Kasi wala ako sa sariling bansa ko.
Yun.
Yun
Yun
yung
pa. Parang, girl, this is not your home base. So, you better,
Tsaka syempre nakikipag bansa lang ako dito, nakikitrabaho ako dito, nakikitira ako dito. Parang nandito lang ako para mag-aral,
Mm.
mag-aral. Kung papalarin, makahanap ng pathway, di ba?
Totoo.
Pinagdadasal
Yeah,
ko.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, so we're down to the last part. Ito na. Yes! So, you're here in Australia because yun nga, yung sabi mo, you're studying and
Yeah.
partly you're working. Syempre, how can you sustain your studies, di ba, if you don't work? Yung goal mo ba before ka mag-Australia, parehas pa rin yung goal mo ngayong nasa Australia ka na?
Mas nadagdagan lang.
Okay.
Mas nadagdagan lang yung dati kasi
What's your goal before you went to Australia? Na bago ka mag-Australia, 'di ba? Gusto mo pa lang mag-Australia.
gusto ko lang
Ano lang yung goal mo?
ang goal ko lang is makapunta sa Australia, makita lang yung buhay dito. Actually is magkaroon lang ng international na credentials.
Okay.
Makapag-aral sa mga international schools.
Yeah.
Magkaroon ng credentials. Yun lang ang goal ko dati. Now, nung nakita ko dito kung gaano kaganda, kung gaano kabait ang Australia.
Gaano ka fast-paced and
Oo.
advanced?
Ang goal ko na ngayon, isa sa mga nadagdag sa goal ko is, I wanna live my life
Here. Oh
I
my
wanna stay
gosh.
here.
I can see it in your eyes. Actually, I can see it through your actions din.
I wanna stay
Na, alam mo yun, kasi it changed your life. Even though, alam mo yun, na parang minsan sasabihin na parang like, okay, what are the proof na nagbago na yung buhay mo? Hindi naman siya materially,
Oo,
di ba?
totoo
Hindi
yun.
naman kailangan material na nakabila ba ako ng bahay, nakabila ba ako ng
Oo.
car or whatsoever. Yung fact lang na you have sustained your life here and natulungan mo yung family mo
Oo,
in the
na-
Philippines is a big flex.
Oh, totoo naman. Totoo naman yun. Talagang, alam mo naman, isa pa rin siguro, kaya naging magkasundo tayo at naging nagtagal yung friendship natin. Parehas tayong family oriented.
Yes. We don't work just for ourselves. We work. Well, it's not an obligation.
It's not an obligation.
It's not an obligation, pero since it's part of our culture and
aside from the culture,
that's how we show our
masaya
love.
tayo
Yeah,
eh.
that's how we show our love to our
when we
family.
share what
Yes.
we have. We share,
That
when
is
we share
so
the
true.
blessings na dumarating sa is masayang-masaya talaga tayo.
Totoo yun, totoo yun.
Yun na parang fulfillment sa atin yun. Parang kahit na wala nang matira sa atin,
Ah.
basta makita lang natin.
And siguro that gives us motivation to work hard.
Of course, of
Kasi
course.
sige, isipin mo like, okay, I can work, pero like, what's my motivation? Ang hirap kasi
Oh.
gumalaw nang wala
Wala
kang
kang
motivation, diba?
Totoo yun,
So,
totoo yun. Family, number
that's
one
your
family.
motivation. And parang, diba, siguro if I'm gonna ask you, what's the main reason why are you leaving the Philippines na ang ganda-ganda ng buhay mo dun, na you're a teacher and you have business? Diba, ano yun? Ano yung, what's the motivation para umalis ka? Kasi it's not easy, sabi mo nga kanina, it's not easy to like leave your family
Yeah, of
on a
course, of
Christmas,
course,
on a
of course.
holiday season.
Of course. And first country na talagang mawalay sa kanila at the same time
First time mo
first time,
mawala.
first in our family
Na may mag-abroad.
may mag-abroad.
Unlike me na I have like my brothers and
Oo.
sisters na nasa, so para alam ko na, okay,
Oo.
mga kapatid ko OFW, alam ko
Oo.
yung paghihirap nila. Pero kasi ikaw first hand,
First
na-experience mo na parang,
first
shit,
time, first
this is so hard.
Talagang mahirap. Mahirap na mahirap. Pero now, yung goal ko, yan.
Ultimate goal.
To
Na
be
makapag-PR and maging
Maging citizen. That's my ultimate
Yun.
goal here.
Yeah,
At
and
saka at the
you need
same
to say
time,
it out loud para marinig ng
Oo,
universe. Kasi
oo,
if
yun
you
yung
deserve
ultimate
it,
goal
they will
ko.
give it to you. And for sure,
Yung maging citizen dito.
yes,
Talaga,
the
maging
Lord
citizen
will
yun.
give it to
Yeah.
you. The Lord will give it to
Pagsisigawan
you.
ko talaga.
Yeah.
Yun yung pinaka-ultimate goal ko
Yes,
ngayon.
that's so true. And parang what's your advice to our viewers or listeners na parang kasi they will say na parang uy ang ganda na ng buhay mo diyan. 'Di ba? Laging ganyan, parang
Yeah.
uy ang ganda mo naman na ngayon, ang ganda na ng buhay mo diyan. Na they don't know what you've gone through. Yun yung mahirap kasi na parang what they see on social media is just, like a tip. Pero yung pinaka-foundation nun, they didn't see that
Of course, 100% sure.
Yeah.
sabi ko nga lagi ko sinasabi sa mga nagtatanong sa akin. Actually, they message me
Yeah, di
about
ba?
yeah, marami,
Dami.
marami,
Yeah,
marami.
marami.
Sabi ko nga is every student visa here. We have different stories.
Yes.
Magkaiba. Yung story ni ganyan, hindi ko istorya. Hindi ganun. Merong mga pagdating dito, mahirap makahanap ng trabaho.
Trabaho.
Merong pagdating naman dito is iba-iba. Pero, ang ma-advise ko lang sa kanila is just work for your dream. Strive for your dream. Huwag
Yeah.
kang sumuko.
Yeah.
Kung kinaya nila,
Mas kaya
kayanin
mo.
mo.
Yeah.
Tsaka, oo, tama siya sa mga nagsasabi sa akin. A lot of people saying na, you have a good life there.
Yeah, they
You
will
have
say.
some luxury items na
Yeah, kasi
ganyan.
oh my gosh, si Anthony may Gucci.
Oh,
Si
yeah,
Anthony
marami.
may ganyan.
Pero I work
Yeah, she worked hard for
behind those
Ate.
luxury items, behind those things that I have is I work hard for it.
Yes.
I chase for it.
And
Kasi
totoo yun. Ako, I'm not saying this just because you're my friend or whatsoever. Pero kasi I saw, before you bought all those like parang luho for yourself, mas, as in like, inuna mo muna yung parang kailangan ng parents mo, kailangan nyo sa bahay, bago mo i-pamper yung sarili mo.
oo.
Which is, di ba, kung titingnan mo in a general perspective, hindi naman dapat. Kasi nga, they say na parang, you do not own anything.
Yeah.
You don't owe your family or something. You don't, di ba, hindi mo sila obligation. Pero again, nga, it's our personal opinion, our personal choice.
Oo.
But then again, what makes it more special kasi kapag nakabili ka ng something special for you is that like you know na oh my gosh like nakapag ano ka sa family.
Oo, of course naman, as kagaya ng sinasabi ko, ako talaga family first.
Yeah, family oriented si sis.
Family first talaga.
All of us, yeah.
All of us. Yun lang. Taka ano pa bang ma-advise ko sa kanila is kung kung gusto mo talaga yung isang bagay, kailangan mong paghirapan. Hindi yung nadadala ka lang kasi nakikita mo na
Yeah, sis, that's so
parang
true.
maganda ang buhay doon.
Yeah.
Diba? Parang maganda ang buhay doon. Parang gusto kong pumunta doon. No. Kung talagang gusto mo, dapat yung buo yung sarili mo.
Yeah.
Number one.
Yeah.
Yung buo kang pumunta dito, buo yung loob mo, malakas yung loob mo, at higit sa lahat is, of course, lagi ka lang magdasal. Ipagdasal mo. Kasi, kung hindi para sa'yo, sabi nga nila, hindi ibibigay ni Lord. Ako para sa akin, feeling ko talaga, pinagdasal ko talaga ito, bigay ni Lord yan.
Prayer talaga yung number one tool
prayer
mo,
talaga.
no?
Alam ni Jessie.
Prayer is the number
Talagang,
one tool.
Sabi ko sa kanya, ipagdasal niyo ako, ipagdasal
Yes.
natin ito kung para sa akin.
Yeah.
Tsaka,
And binigay siya.
wag tayong, sorry
Yeah.
sa word wag na yung mainggit.
Mainggit,
sa
yeah.
ibang tao. Kasi meron tayong kanya-kanyang oras kung sa
And may
kailan
kanya-kanya
oo.
tayong what you call this season ng
season.
buhay.
Oo, totoo 'yun. Meron tayong kanya-kanyang season ng buhay. Hindi yung sa yung ngayon is siya, pero darating din yung oras natin. Pababor din ng tadhana sa atin.
Yes,
Yun
that's
yung
so
pinaka-
true.
Pababor din ng tadhana sa atin.
Huwag kang mainggit sa mga success ng ibang tao. Uy, nawala ako, may pogi kasing dumaan.
At saka, kasi para sa
Tinignan
akin,
ako sa eyes.
para sa akin sorry hindi ko alam kung pare-parehas tayo ng opinion. Para sa akin is, kung up to this time naiinggit ka pa rin, hindi ka ba mature?
Yeah.
Hindi ka mature. Kasi hindi mo kainggit,
Tanggalin
hindi
mo
mo
yan.
kailangan. Oo, tanggalin ang inggit sa sarili.
Oo.
Hindi ka pa tanggalin ang inggit sa sarili. At higit sa lahat is, wala ka naman dapat ikainggit. Kasi may kanya-kanya tayong buhay. 'Di ba? Baka siya hindi mo alam na meron siyang ganyan pero ba't mo siya kaiinggitan? Kung
Yeah.
kaya mo naman
Yeah.
na gawin para rin sa sarili mo. Hindi man katulad nung sa kanya, malay mo mas
Masigit pa yung
may
babalik
darating
sa'yo,
sa'yo.
diba?
Tsaka,
That's so
yun
true.
Yun lang. Work hard. Laban.
Yeah, totoo. Work hard and pray harder. That's
Of
all.
course.
That's
pray
all that
hard.
we can do
Number
right
one is
now.
pray hard.
Kaya nga eh. Kasi, lalo na, we weren't born with a silver spoon.
Yeah.
Diba? It's super like hard. Kaya, parang we are all fighting for our own dreams and for our own destiny. So, parang,
Kailangan mag-work hard talaga.
we are down to our last question of this episode. How is your heart? Are you single now, or like what's happening with your love life?
Oh my God. Hindi ko alam. Pero
Okay, no, wait lang.
Oh
Okay,
my God.
okay. So, as of now,
as of now,
can you say na you're in a relationship or whatsoever? Or ikaw in your own words?
Sige, para matahimik na po ang lahat ng netizen.
Kasi to be honest, ang dami din nagtatanong
Yeah.
sa akin, uy, si Anthony ba? May ano na doon? Parang may asawa na ba doon yan? Or may jowa ba
Wag mo
siya
na.
na ano? Oo, wag mo na asawa. Okay, ang dami
I
pang
can just-
ginagasa si
yeah.
bakla.
I can just simply say, I'm pretty happy with someone right now. Yeah. Yun.
Eto na lang masasabi ko.
Yeah, I'm really, really happy. My heart is happy now.
Alam mo, nakikita naman yun eh. Kaya yung mga tao, nakikita nila, nagtatanong sila na kung, kasi nag-radiate kasi yun eh. Sa aura mo. Sa aura mo na parang like, bakit sobrang blooming ni bakla? Like, is she ganito? Like, is she in a relationship?
Yeah, I can just
So right now,
yeah,
she
I'm
can
happy
just
and
say happy and
I can just describe it. I'm privately taken.
privately taken si sis. Oh my gosh, guys, exclusive po dito sa ating podcast, sa ating episode, na Anthony said it straight from the record na
Yeah,
her
pero,
heart is privately taken.
yun na, I'm privately taken and I'm not Anthony anymore.
Ay, oh my gosh, in Australia, she's
Yeah,
Anna.
yeah, I'm Ann already. Yeah. Ayun na, masaya na ha, nasagot ko na yung mga tanong niyo. Yun yung pinakahihintay niyo lang, alam ko eh.
What?
At alam ko, hinihintay niyo yung tatanong niyo sa akin.
Totoo, they will, a lot of people are asking, parang like, sis, ganito ganyan. And of course, I'm not in the position to like, you know, to say such things kasi malay ko ba, to be honest. Pero again, sa kanya na mismo nang galing, her heart is privately taken, guys. And we are so, yeah, ako like para I'm more than happy. I'm
Thank you,
very
sis.
proud
Thank
that
you.
like it happened to you and like you're experiencing this because you know, I've seen you before with a broken heart. I've
Yeah.
seen you through your lowest point, and right now that I am seeing you parang reaching your goals and like going on the top of like, you know, things that you like to do and achieving your goals, it makes me happy. Like your friends, kami ni na Aldrin, we're all rooting for you. Aldrin is one of our friends,
Thank you so much. Yeah,
besties.
hoping Aldrin next time.
Yeah,
at
makapunta
least,
din dito,
punta ka na
piste.
dito. Yan. Pero I can just simply say na yung mga dumaan sa akin before, especially na love life,
Yeah.
I just take them a lesson.
Yeah, totoo yun.
Meron talagang bagay na,
Hindi para sa'yo.
oo,
Nadadaan lang.
dadaan lang. Number one, dadaan lang. Okay lang. Okay lang kung nag-invest ka, umiyak ka and everything. That's part of it.
Okay lang kahit nagbigay ka ng rent.
Oo.
Charot. Wala rent pala.
Parang computer,
Parang
computer lang.
helmet. Tangina mo.
Helmet.
Helmet.
Ayun lang,
Okay.
pero may natutunan naman ako doon.
Totoo. Alam mo,
Thankful
yun nga
naman
sabi nila, when you are like talking from a place or like when you're coming from a place ng peace ka na, at
Yeah.
peace ka, it will take a lot of maturity and it's a sign na parang you have totally moved on.
Yeah.
You're past
I'm
this
totally
this
moved with the
season
past
na
now.
iyak-iyakan mode and everything.
And I think someone will get jealous pag binalikan ko.
Oh my gosh, girl. Pero at least, ngayon nga, feeling ko din ang tinuro sa'yo ng Australia is to like, parang dahil fast-paced din
Yeah.
dito na pag hindi nakakatulong sa'yo and if it's giving you
Yeah.
shit, if it's giving you heartache, next ka na.
Yeah.
'Di ba?
Next,
Ganun
yeah.
sila dito eh. Parang like, if you don't like, I like you. If you don't like
Yeah.
me, okay, next.
Tsaka if you're not happy, go.
Yeah.
Ganun
'Di
lang.
ba? Oh my gosh, thank you so much. That's so meaningful
Yeah.
and
Thank you so much
memorable.
as well. I just wanna
Girl, oh my gosh, I love it.
use this platform to thank you as well.
Char.
For coming here, for guesting me.
Yes,
For
of course.
guesting me, of course.
Of course.
Of course, pag nakikita ko yung mga ginagas mo dati, sabi ko, I hope
Yeah.
someday. Pero ako talaga yung malaking pasalamat ko is you find time para makapunta dito.
Yeah. Actually, it's my second time na here. Sabi ko kay
Oo,
Anthony,
second
like,
time yun.
sabi ko nung lumabas yung visa ko, para, oh, I have multiple 1 year. Okay, sige, like, i-maximize ko na yun. I'll fly one more time before mag-expire. And I'm here na. So, yeah. Kasi, ito din nalulungkot kasi. Parang
Mm.
nagdadrama-drama dito. Parang, te, puntahan mo naman ako dito.
Kasi miss na miss ko na talaga siya, super.
Kasi sabi ko, sis, okay, I have the visa na, pero I need to like look for a cheaper ticket lang and proper timing, syempre sa
Oh,
work,
of course,
dahil
of
I
course,
have
proper.
work din naman in the Philippines, so parang hindi naman ako basta-basta. So yan, I found the time and you know,
Finally happened again.
yeah, it happened and malay mo, we don't know, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Malay mo naman, like, in the
Yes.
future, we'll be together
Of course,
here.
of course, of
We're
course, of course.
praying
We're
for
praying,
that.
of course, we're
Yes,
praying for
because
that.
we
We're
really
really
love
praying
like
for that. Yeah.
here. The life here is super super nice and super peaceful. So yun guys, thank you so much for watching and
Thank
sis,
you.
thank you so much for
Yeah.
guesting.
Thank you so
I
much.
hope that we'll have another episode of this one, but for now guys, we'll end this muna and if you like this episode, make sure to subscribe,
Of course, to
like, and
subscribe.
comment or like or dislike or whatsoever. And we will see you on the next episode of Tarakape Podcast. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Bye.